Good morning, Tony. Hello, boy. How you doing? How you doing? Today is October 6th. It's about 9:45 right now. We are at the Tiger Truck Stop. It's Tony. How you doing, Tony? Look over here. Tiger Truck Stop. Well, I guess you've had your breakfast. Exercising a little bit. It's good to see you again, Tony. How are you doing? Are you doing okay? There's two hearings coming up. As you know, the Louisiana Court of Appeals overturned the order which would have freed Tony in December. Louisiana Department of Wildlife Fisheries not renewing Sandlin's permit to keep Tony, but that was overturned in the Louisiana Court of Appeals, and now Sandlin and the Tiger Truck Stop will now be parties to this case, which is starting all over again. But as the ALDF states, Animal Legal Defense Fund states, they believe the law was right the first time and the judge will rule the same way again. So there is a hearing. First one coming up is October 17th, and this is where the state here's the exceptions, which allows Sandlin and to be a party to plead his case. And then on November 2nd, this is where the ALDF will again request the motion to have this permit revoked for Tony as previously ruled. So we have 2 more months at least to get past these 2 hearings. The judge did rule it right the first time, so no matter if Sandlin is a party to this or not, the law remains the same. It's against the law and against the local ordinances. And it's really against any humane efforts that you might see going on right here. This is Tony's life. I know my videos are pretty much the same. Well, this is Tony's life. Walk over here. Hear the diesel trucks behind me. He's gonna turn around. Well, let's see if he has some water in his trough. A little bit is his water trough. I have never seen Tony get in that quote unquote pool. Big tire. That's there last time. That's only been there a month or so. So Tony is still here. It's bright out today, so again I hope I'm getting him in the video here. How you doing, Tony? Hey, boy. Hey, Tony. Hey, boy. My update number 16 last month, I shot 12, almost 13 minutes straight without interruption of Tony. So I really don't feel I need to do that this time. But I know that Tony has so many supporters all over the world, and they look forward to seeing Tony. I am here. This is the least I can do, but I also enjoy visiting Tony. So here you have Tony, October 6th, 2011, pacing, which you have seen in all my videos, pacing or sleeping. This is Tony's life. Hey, Tony. Hey, boy. Look at him. So just sit down here. Be still. Take this time to thank all of you for all the support you have given to me for these videos. And Tony, most of all. This is all about Tony. All about Tony. It's a group united effort. And we are all wanting Tony to find sanctuary, have some enjoyment. Even though this truck stop may be all that he knows, at least let him have a few years of peace. In a natural habitat, not in a concrete cage. Tony. Hey, Tony. It's so bright. Hey, Tony. See you on my way back, Tony. You take care. I'll see you in a few more hours. Bye, big boy.